Guys, I'm here at Johns Pass. I'm gonna walk around and see what's new since the last time I've come here. There's a live band behind me at this bar. So I'm gonna start at this end and just walk all around and see what's going on over here. So it's Friday afternoon around 3 o'clock, but apparently these people think it's 5 o'clock because there's a lot of people here having drinks, right? So it's 5 o'clock over here, I guess. But this place is really crowded right now. I'm surprised. So very good crowd here. So this is Johns Pass. There's a whole lot of stores here. There's restaurants, there's bars. You have the drawbridge that comes open. There are rentals for jet skis and all that kind of thing as well. So I'm going to go look at some of that stuff. But this is a cool place to come to for an afternoon. Bring your kids, whatever. And also in the evening as well. Lazy Lizard, souvenirs, whatnot. There used to be a like a live alligator petting zoo kind of thing. I don't know if they're still here. You got House of Sweets, ice cream, and all of that. What's all this? Island rags. This bar is pretty busy. What's this girl rolling cigars. So this has that old-timey Florida kind of feel to it, even though I don't think these buildings are that old. I don't know. Or some of them may be. And if you don't know who Ben Mallah is, he's the guy that owns this whole place, and he has a YouTube channel of all the real estate deals and stuff he does all over Florida and whatnot. So pretty interesting channel, and you know, he films over here sometimes. Oh, I guess here's the alligator attraction. You can go up there and pet small alligators and stuff like that. Really cool for kids. I never tried this pizza place. I don't know if they sell it by the slice. Dolphin and nature cruise, rentals, sunset cruise.
Oh, you didn't have to get anything.
So you can get all kinds of cruises. It's not just for little kids or whatever. There's booze cruises and that kind of thing, I guess. So starting over here at this end of the pier, you have these really old looking shack kind of restaurant bars. Looks like something from really old time Florida. And so you got people on jet skis over here. You got this dolphin sighting boat. You got the drawbridge over there. I don't know if it's gonna open up while we're here, but so there's a lot of stuff you can do here. You got dolphin watching trips. You got this fresh fish that comes in and feeds the seafood market, I guess, and these birds know to hang out here while they clean the fish over there to get some easy fish. You got shave ice, $4 beers, $9 wine smoothies by the glass. I never had a wine smoothie. But this looks like a lot of fun.
They have breakfast up here.
Fresh grouper sandwiches. And you can sit out here, caddies right on the water here. Maybe even get splashed by a jet ski once in a while. So Caddies has another place in Gulfport Beach. And what's this place? Scully's Grill. Looks similar to Caddies. You got the shark boat over here. 60-minute tour. Cold drinks available. And then you got these old-timey pirate ship kind of thing you can take a ride on. Pirates Pub and Grub. 90-minute cruise, free beer, wine, and soda, water gun battle, pirate stories, treasure hunt, sightseeing, face painting, dance party. I guess this is kind of geared towards kids, and I guess a couple glasses of wine for their parents to tolerate it. But that looks really cool. If I was younger, I would love to go on something like this. Tropical buffet. I don't remember seeing this here last time I was here. So dolphin watch, nature cruise, $30 for 90 minutes. And there's a bit of a small beach right here. You can go swim if you wanted to, but if you don't like this little kind of inlet thing, right across the street is an actual real beach where you can go swim. So not that this is not a real beach, but you know, the typical open water beach kind of thing is right across the street. You can walk here from there and go swim and then come back here and have something to eat or a drink or whatever. And you got a Bubba Gump Shrimp Company over here. Place looks huge. You got deep sea fishing. Oh, and you got the bridge going up. So guys, there's a little bit of everything going on here. You got fishing, rentals, food, drinks, cruises, dolphins, and you even have the drawbridge going up behind me over there, so that's something to see. So if you have an afternoon after swimming, come down here, and there are a lot of things to do for a lot of people of all ages. You won't be disappointed. This place is definitely a very good attraction to come to.